Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about swimoda.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, it is an online shopping store that deals with various fashion swimwears for women, including one pieces, tenkinis, bikinis, swim dresses, swim bottoms, and cover ups as well. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Apart from that, they are claiming to ship at a worldwide level, guys, and they're also offering free shipping over $79 plus discounts over $59, and you can get 9% off use $9. So these are the amazing deals. Now coming to the payment info, let's check out the payment method section. This is the payment method section, guys, and they have mentioned that you can make the payment via credit card, debit card, and PayPal, including Visa, MasterCard, Master American Express, and Discover. Now coming to the shipping policy, let's check out the shipping info. So the processing time will be 1 to 3 business days, and they have mentioned that the delivery time will take around processing days plus shipping time. So they have not mentioned the exact shipping duration, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, guys, they have copied the format of shipping policy page, which is a negative sign. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge the site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign, but when it comes to the domain information of this particular site, it was created on 23rd of December 2020, and guys, the site is registered for 1 year only, so the site can't be trusted on the basis of its domain age. Now coming to the company's detail, you need to visit the About Us page. So in the About Us page, they have provided detailed information, but no information is available regarding business establishment year, business owner name, which is a negative sign, guys. And this makes the site quite suspicious and creates a doubt as well. Now coming to the contact details, let's check out the Contact Us page. So guys, they have provided the email address but not contact number and not official address, which is a negative sign. They have provided only email address and mention that they will reply your emails within 3 days due to lots of emails these days. So this content also seems to be copied from other problematic sites, which is a negative sign. And coming to the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So they have mentioned 15 days of return policy, guys, to comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And coming to the social media presence, the site has social media presence on Facebook only. It comes with 1043 followers on Facebook and no engagement is there, and they have created their Facebook profile on February 1, 2021. Apart from that, when you will click the other social media icons including Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, you will be redirected to the homepage of the particular website. So this is a negative sign, guys, and let's check out the customer reviews of this website. Guys, talking about swimoda.com reviews, we have found few comments which are positive on the official website, and we didn't found customer reviews about the site on the internet, guys, which is again a negative sign. Apart from that, they have provided the short descriptions of product, which is a negative sign. And here is the only one review. So this is the only positive comment that is posted on the website, which seems to be fake. We can't claim this site legit on the basis of this customer review only. Apart from that, you can see, guys, bulk buy option is on as well, which is a negative sign. So these are the loopholes regarding this website, and the trust index score of the site is 2%, which is really very bad. So we can't claim this site legit on the basis of this these factors and these loopholes as well. Apart from that, coming to the popularity of the website and traffic, so guys, this site seems to be not much popular online because of low traffic or low Alexa rank, and the domain was registered only 3 months ago. So this is again a flaw, or you can say loophole. So based on these loopholes, we can conclude this video or review by saying this, that this website appears to be suspicious, guys. You should stay away from such type of suspicious websites. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.